Hey everybody, it's Wednesday and I'm back. I am back to do a video on my most 8 cleaning products that I use. I actually use more than this, but I need to re-up on my cleaning products. I'm an OCD person. I like a lot of variety cleaning products. I like trying new things, but also the important thing is to stay on a budget, which is what I truly try to do. And I'm out here to inspire other women, to do the same. If you're on a budget like me, I'm just telling you, this stuff really works. And I've used it over the years, and I'm starting to try new things as well. But these are like my must-haves, and some of them are multi-purpose. But I had a subscriber, and she's a family member, and if she's watching this, she knows who she is. We've been talking about it. And she said, Tanya, she called me, well, she messaged me yesterday, and we were talking about cleaning products, and her and I used to clean beach houses together. So she was cleaning yesterday and she said, you need to do a video on what you use and tell people about it. So that's what we're doing today. Basically, the first thing is I like to mix things together sometimes and make them my own. So the first thing we have, it's just really simple, easy. $1 of Clorox bleach. Just add water. That's all you do. You just add water to it. You can use it on your toilets. You can use it on your sinks. You can use it on your baseboards. You can use it wherever you feel like you need to use it. My husband likes the smell of bleach. I don't know why, but he thinks that makes the house cleaner for some reason. And if you always see me cleaning in my videos looking like a hot mess, it's because I don't want to get my good clothes messed up. And so I choose to take my bath in the evening after I'm done with all my cleaning for the day. You never want to get your good clothes messed up. Now, so for the next thing, number 2 thing I use, I wish I had hardwood floors, but I don't, but that's okay. I have carpet, and this is what I use. I use the Febreze with Gain. Y'all, I love the smell of Gain. I'm just like in love with the scent. I love it. Now, for the third thing, really cheap, there's that 70% alcohol that I use. You can put this in a spray bottle. Let me tell you something. It gets your glass so clean. You can use it by itself. You can just put it on a paper towel and wipe all your glass down. It's real easy to do, and it works better than Windex, and it's cheap. So the next thing I do, which is including this product, Mr. Clean with Febreze. Yes. What I do is I take this, I add half of that to this bottle, and I take this and I add a half of that to this bottle. This is your go-to multi-surface cleaner. I use this all the time, and it smells amazing. You can use this in the bathroom. You can clean your tubs with it. You can clean your toilets with it. You can wipe down your countertops with it. You can mop with it if you want. You want to use this separately? Sure, go for it. But the alcohol, that's why I use the 70% alcohol and add it to this, is because it helps the floor dry faster, and it also gets rid of bacteria. So this is a new product that I tried, and this is the Method Anti-Bac. Now you can also use this in your tub, on your toilet, on your countertops. Really good for countertops, doorknobs. Anything that little kids touch, you want to be using this on. And I have a lot of grandchildren, and sometimes they get sick. But they never get sick when they come to grandma's. They're usually always sick because grandma is OCD. And yes, I do. I spray my doorknobs like a freak, like you wouldn't believe. This works really good, but I hate the smell of it. So I hope that Method comes out with something else that's antibacterial that smells a little bit better. Now this is a new product that I've been using. This is the Myers Clean Day. And it is the honeysuckle scent. Let me tell y'all something. I don't know about how well it cleans, but I don't care. I would just spray this everywhere if I could. This stuff, y'all have got to try it. It smells amazing. The honeysuckle, the smell, it just smells fresh and so good, and it stays for a while. Now, a couple of products that I use that I don't have listed here. I'm a big fan of vinegar. Big fan of vinegar. When I wash my towels, I always wash my towels in vinegar, and I add a little baking soda to it. Just regular vinegar and baking soda. Just add that right in your wash, and it does a really good job. It takes out that musty odor, and the vinegar also fluffs up your towels. If your towels look a little like, oh, they don't look too new anymore, if you just throw some vinegar in there, they fluff up and they look really good. Another thing that I don't have listed here that is always my best friend and my go-to product. If you're about to have company coming over or you just want that fresh smelling clean in your house, Febreze. Febreze spray is your best friend. I'm telling you, it is. You just spray it down, makes your house smell amazing. So that's all I have here for y'all today. This is what I've been using. These are the new things that I've been trying. And I thank y'all so much for watching my video. And if there's anything that you want to ask me about or a special video that you would like for me to do for y'all's viewing pleasure, please leave that in the comments below. Like and subscribe. And I hope everybody has a great Wednesday. See you soon, and we'll talk later.